Good morning, Poppy Harlow. We are back live here in Raleigh, North Carolina. I did find a small frozen raccoon this morning, so I have created myself a headscarf out of their pelt. I am extremely warm, and I feel sorry for that raccoon family. As you can see, the hills are alive with the sound of snowflakes. We are covered in feet of snow this morning. These cars are literally unable to get out because they are so drenched in snow. I don't even know what we are going to do if we run out of food. I am thankful that we have 3 bottles of champagne for mimosas this morning. We will keep you updated throughout the day on the effects of this winter blizzard here in Raleigh. Back to you, Poppy Harlow.